Yo, what's up?
Okay, so today we are in the Pantai Menggiat in Nusa Dua. We came a bit late because we were in Uluwatu before, and
But
then we were in
honestly-
some of the beach clubs, and we feel like
Honestly,
not
nothing is
comfortable.
nothing is happening there, and was like really not comfortable. We decided we're not gonna make a vlog just to make a vlog there, but just better come to Nusa Dua, and seems like the vibes are definitely already
Yeah.
much better.
So yeah, what's the point that we will make a vlog there, but we didn't enjoy it? So better we just go to the place where we can enjoy and we could share it to you guys. So yeah,
Yeah.
this is how it is. Let's see how it is Pantai Menggiat in Nusa Dua.
Yeah. All right. So this is the entrance, and definitely vibes are already much better than in Uluwatu. Well, I make a few shops in Uluwatu, but I'm not gonna show you because this one is definitely much better and much more optimistic today in Nusa Dua. Always good vibes in Nusa Dua, yes, honey?
Yeah, and also I don't know why nowadays I feel like Nusa Dua, Sanur is more friendly vibe and also easy and chilled. So yeah, this is how it is. It's very beautiful area.
Definitely. We'll see. What else interesting is here? Meanwhile, quite many people enjoying their time.
So this is how it is in the sunset time. I know that if you want to watch sunset, probably Uluwatu it's just like the best spot with the cliff and everything. But I don't know, when we were there, the vibe is not as friendly as what we were expect. But yeah, we just go from Uluwatu to Nusa Dua. But we really enjoy Nusa Dua nowadays.
So where is this beautiful tree? That was the Ayodhya Hotel. And well, unfortunately, we was planning to having a dinner here. There was also the fire there, where is the fence. But long time ago we had a day pass. Also day pass is only 75,000, including the towel and the drink and something else. Unfortunately, everything is closed at 6, but it's already 10 past 6. So sad, isn't it?
Yeah, so I was there and I asked, is it possible if we just have a dinner and everything? And then we didn't go to the swimming pool, and they said, no, Ibu, the kitchen's already closed at 6.
Sad.
So
But that's
sad.
also showing the image of Nusa Dua right now, as everything is working like not 100% operated like it's supposed to be, right? Waiting for better times, definitely. But still beautiful to be here anyway, right?
Yeah, maybe we go to a different hotel, a different restaurant, which is open. Let's have a maybe radler or something to drink. I'm already thirsty, so yeah.
Let's see. They are for sure the what's the name of the hotels? What they are can possibly open? Grand Hyatt,
or I don't know,
What was the-
Merusaka. So yeah, let's see.
Merusaka, which is Inaya Putri, ex-Inaya Putri, stuff like this. So we will see how it looks alive. So still many people doing any strolls, enjoying their time on the beach. This is the front of the Inaya Putri or Merusaka hotel. Unfortunately, the bar here is closed, so still no luck for having drink. However, inside it seems like
I
they
think that
have-
there is a party, wedding party or something.
yeah, there
like
is some
that.
event we are going. We're gonna show you. But meanwhile, so many people enjoying at the front of the hotel actually. And check this out. Yes, over here actually they have some event, which is actually surprise little bit, but yeah, positive. Here some people still chilling, but they closed already. Also, there will be big. I think maybe some wedding. No, but some sort of event.
Even
maybe.
a party or something like that. So I
Yeah.
don't know.
So it seems like Nusa Dua is open. Obviously, hotels are ready. They said as they are ready, and I believe they are ready. But there is no tourists coming to Bali. I'm sorry to say, but that's the reality. So everything seems like it's not ready, but it's ready. Something like that. It's complicated.
Yeah, so basically this is a Grand Hyatt hotel. So whenever you come to Bali and then you will be quarantined in, I think, this kind of room. Yeah, because Grand Hyatt, Merusaka also, on the list of the quarantine hotel.
Yeah,
so
but,
this is how it is.
but still you have a ocean view if you're gonna stay, but you cannot come here anyway. and we are just walking here, and they switch on the beautiful lamps front of the Grand Hyatt Hotel. Hello. Also not that busy to compare to the last time. This is maybe regarding the
Oh jeez,
changes. What's going on? What's
we
alert?
have a DJs there. Oh my goodness.
DJ?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay, let's have a look. Maybe we can have some radler when it's the party in Nusa Dua. That actually looks pretty nice. And seems like nobody is inside, so we have many spaces potentially. And the beautiful gate with the surf something thingy.
Oh,
and the
they have a
statues.
promotion. Come.
What promo? Oh, if you don't know, we love promos. Back to the hotel, we decided we wanna have a dinner instead of the party because, well, nobody is there, so that's not that vibe. Yeah, somehow true. Also, we were here already 2 times and was much busier than is today. I don't know what's going on, but seems like a trend is reversed, and now people not coming to Bali at that much anymore.
Well, we were in the, what is it called, the kind of the beach club there is also the DJs, but I didn't think that they open or something, so we just decided to go to the restaurant and have dinner here. So yeah, for those of you who are curious about the list of the hotels for quarantine, I would like to share you. There are 35 lists of hotel here. So in area Kuta, so there will be Aston Kuta Hotel, Bali Dynasty Resort, Fairfield by Marriott, Harper Kuta Hilton Garden Inn, Novotel, Bali Ngurah Rai, Ramada by Windham, Bali Sunset, Swiss Bell Hotel Tuban, and also now is Nusa Dua. So will be the Conrad Bali, Courtyard by Marriott Nusa Dua, Grand Hyatt Bali, Hilton Hotel, Bali Resort, Melia, Merusaka next door, Nusa Dua Beach Hotel and Spa, Sol by Melia, Benoa Nusa Dua, The Laguna, The Mulia. Mulia is quite expensive hotel. The Ritz-Carlton also quite expensive
Marriott, but
hotel.
very good. But expensive, but good.
Yeah, and then the Westin Hotel Nusa Dua. And yay, here we go, Sanur. For those who are interested in Sanur, where we'll be in a Gria Santrian, Hyatt Hotel, Prime Plaza Suite, Swiss Bell Resort Batu Jimbar, Taksu Sanur Hotel, and Tanjung Sari Hotel. And how if Ubud? So in Ubud area, they have a Komanika Resort, Maya Ubud Resort, Sankara Ubud Resort, the Payogan Villa, and the Royal Pitamaha, the Westin Resort Ubud, Ubud Village Hotel, Ubud Village Resort in Nyoh Kuning. So, and also Viceroy Bali. I think Viceroy is expensive.
Viceroy is also
hotel.
expensive. Yeah.
So those are the 35 hotels for the quarantines. I know that for you guys who comment in our vlogs previously, they said like they already booked the hotel, they really want a straightforward quarantine in Bali, but nowadays unfortunately there is no international flight to Bali. So for those of you, if you want to go to Bali, you still need quarantines in Jakarta.
Or waiting for the time when the flight's gonna be in Bali, but
Yeah,
I will talk a little bit more about that tomorrow.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Nusa Dua. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.